What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading futures live stream. Today is Tuesday, February 10th, 2026. Finna get into these charts, but y'all know first thing first, what we gotta do, we gotta get our prayer in. So let's go ahead and bow our head. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying, first giving honor to your name. First giving you all the praise and glory that you deserve, Lord. Thank you for allowing us to be able to make it through the weekend. Having a great weekend for Super Bowl Sunday. Thank you for allowing us to be able to spend time with family, loved ones, continue to watch over them, and thank you for all that you continue to do in our lives. As we come to you today, we asking for your hand, your guidance, your spirit to be amongst us while we be on these charts. I ask that you bless um, our hands, our mind, our brain, everything, Lord, our eyes, and let us execute and perform the way we know we can and with the abilities that you bless us with. So no matter if we win, lose, or draw today, Lord, as we grow, we learn, we continue to get better and wiser each and every day. And I ask you to strengthen us when them times of temptation of greed and fear try to overtake. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right, let's get to it. Give me 1 second real quick, y'all. Give me 1 second. Let's share this stream real quick. We got 3 minutes for market open too. All right, let's get into it. News already came out for today, I believe. Let me check and see. I believe news already came out for today. So it should be pretty much smooth sailing for the rest of the day. Yeah, news already came out. It might have some effect when the market first opened, but we should be pretty much straight to trade normal. Yesterday night we said, hey, it made a green candle yesterday. Still technically be bullish. It could be trying to make a low high, lower low, but we can't say nothing yet until we get a red daily candle. Once we get a red daily candle, then we can potentially think this possibly will be the new lower high. Right now it's green, so we got to envision that it's still trying to be looking for a high. Still look for a high. Maybe it bounce off this daily gap. Maybe it bounce off this one up here at 25,601, or this last one right here at 25,708. Pretty much depending on where we at on the chart, we gonna take them trades. So, like we said, if we underneath here, we look for them shorts down to the previous gap. If we above it, we look for potential longs, take it up to whatever time frame high we at, possibly all the way up to the top of this gap. And then, of course, if we up here, same thing. Up. If we up here, same thing. All right. So that's what we looking at. Drop down to a lower time frame. See if we build an uptrend above the daily level at 25,000. What is it? 25,385. You can build an uptrend above there and take loans. It did make an uptrend already, so it's still possibly loans still might be the way. We just gotta wait on the green 5-minute candle. Okay. Got 1 more minute to market open. I'm already finna call my pops, and we might get mail on the phone also. Get both of them on the phone. So y'all give me 1 second. Might try to get both of them on the phone today. Hello. Yeah, you on the charts?
Yeah. Mother dropping like that boy going crazy. That mother going crazy.
Yeah, it is. Let me see. Make sure I got my copy trader on. No, I ain't messing with it right now just cause it just made a lower low. Yeah. I'm watching out for this hourly high right here at, let me see what that is. 25,429 if we end up going back up there. Well, 5 minute broke the uptrend though. The 5 minute broke the uptrend.
Dang, it's crazy. It's gonna go crazy. This went crazy up.
Alright, it's pushing up. We made a lower low, but we made a higher high at the same time.
Yeah, I don't understand that.
I'm gonna let this 5 minute counter close. I can't touch it right now.
Yeah, I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it do that sometimes. That news had came out at 7:30, so it got to react once the market opens. So
That's on the drop, man.
I don't know. I don't know. You gotta let these count. You gotta let candles close first before you say what it's gonna do. We just opened up 2 minutes, so you gotta let the candles close first. We ain't trying to guess. We trying to let it reveal itself. It is bouncing at this hourly level though.
Crazy drop at 7 and then it started going up.
Yeah, that when the news came out. The news came out at 7:30, and that's when it started moving up. We waiting though, being a little patient. Got the copy trader on though.
Man, that thing is steroid. Pumping air with your way.
What you looking for? Hmm.
What I'm looking for?
Yeah. You gotta tell me what you looking for. What gonna make you get in the trade?
I'm looking for structure.
But I'm saying, is you bullish, bears? What you looking for?
I'm listening.
You gotta know what your bias is before you try to jump in some trades.
It's kind of hard to say because I'm thinking it's kind of bearish, but right now it's bullish right now, but it itself is bearish. No, overall it's bearish.
On what time frame? Hmm.
On the day.
On a daily, yeah. The most recent spot, yeah, is bearish on the daily. But the thing is, yesterday was a green counter though, so green tellers are supposed to be moving up. So I can't really be completely bearish until we get a red daily counter.
Right.
Because the last counter we made was green, so.
Yeah, that's why I said it's looking like. It ain't real. It's looking like, you know what I'm saying? That kind of closed red too. So it kind of going bearish on the 5 minute.
MYM always gone. Hold up, let me go check that out. MYM at 50. It pushed all the way up. Dang. NYM straight bullish. It's at all time high. This is what we said we were looking for overnight. Uptrend above here. You already did it. You can't really do nothing about that.
Dang. It's going crazy.
What is?
NYM.
Yeah, it's at all time high. We on the analysis last night. We said it should be going all the way up again. Alright. MQ still pushing down.
Yeah, MQ pushing down. I should have won bearish too. It dropped like a mug. I feel it there. Look at that mug down. I couldn't have caught that mug. It was crazy.
Why
I
you
was
ain't get
scared of
in
that.
then?
Hmm?
Why you ain't get in then?
No. But they was going crazy that first. I was scared of that. I was scared of that goddamn cat. When it turned red though, I should have said, dang, I knew it was gonna drop.
You can't say nothing if you ain't get in it. You gotta get in it.
Dang, look at all that money.
Cause you don't make no money saying you knew it was gonna do it if you ain't click nothing.
It's gonna take the low at the 7 o'clock low.
I'm just watching. See what we can do.
Yeah, it look like it. It might.
Nah, it look like it's gonna take it.
Dang, all that money. Oh, you need to charge it?
Look at this hourly. See what it's looking like.
Hey, I'm waiting on the green candle. The green candle.
What you gonna do when you see a green color?
Mm.
Hmm?
See, make a lower low. I mean, a lower high. A lower high.
No. What time frame you looking for a green count on?
5 minutes. And it's still dropping,
It's
man.
still dry.
All them falling out this mother. And I can't even get it.
Mm.
Look at that. Sorry.
I might grab one light short if we close below this previous low. 22 seconds. Just a quick scalp.
What you talking about on the MNQ?
I'm in light short. You said what? Yeah, MNQ?
You in?
Shoot. Yeah, I had grabbed one light one. But I'm gonna get out pretty quick though. I'm on copy trader account though. Alright, I took 28 on both the accounts.
Hey,
Quick in and out.
I only been on one. I was scared.
Nah, I was just trying to get a quick scalp.
I got two.
I went on the 1 minute and seen it was just following the downtrend. I mean, it still could have keep going, but I ain't want to play around with no pullbacks.
Right.
If it
That's why
closed below this previous low, I might grab another one and do it again. But it got closed below this previous low, and it did. And give it a second before I press it.
got a bag up.
Alright, I'm gonna wait because it might be trying to do a pullback, so I don't know what it's trying to do.
Yeah, it's on pull back.
I got this 5 minute low. Next 5 minute right there.
You in already?
Nah, I ain't in. If you want to get in, you can get in. But I ain't in nothing.
I'm scared of the crap game.
No, you gotta find. Look, you can't be waiting on me to get in something.
Uh-huh.
Nah, you supposed to be looking for your trade. How you gonna get better?
You go.
All right then. I'm telling you, I got 50. I got 50K accounts. You only got 25K accounts.
Just say when you go out. Say when you gonna get out.
Yeah, you taking
I'm
risk.
getting out too.
You taking risk.
No risk, no reward.
Let's see. 5 minute.
I'm gonna want to get in so bad, but I don't know what they tell me to go. It's like you're trying to be cool.
I'm gonna look at the 15 minute.
Bounce as well. Oh no.
15-minute downtrend. Got low, high, lower, low. But we did fail to close below the previous low. So it might be trying to go up.
You think you're gonna go up right here?
I don't know.
Gotta wait till you get the green candle. But what if we go? I'm mad at hell. I ain't get take this bill. Oh, man. Feel like the bottom won't fall out there.
Let me see if my boy Mel on. We might add Mel to the call if he on here.
I don't know. I think he's trying to go up right here. From here. It'll be good when it then they have a little pullback and then they green candle we can go. Everybody gonna pop all out those little niggas.
No, I ain't gonna go off no niggas red counter. There ain't no downtrend on the 5-minute.
No. I said after we get a green candle, another red candle, we can probably go.
Oh, if it make another low, yeah.
Yeah, make another low.
I think I'm about to scalp these longs if we take this high.
All I need. When I think I know I'm going so I get that red candle here. Boom, I'm in that butt. I did. I thought I was gonna get into an uptrend. Then I go crazy. Go crazy one time. That motherfucker crazy and start going down like a bug. Now I know what that means. That means the game can shift when it go crazy like that. Game can shift, but it look like it's gonna do it. Might be total opposite.
Mm. Alright, going bad bears right now. I gotta wait.
It's bears, but out there was bears though. But I ain't know what's gonna go to this bear. I ain't know grizzly bear was gonna come out right now.
Grizzly bear.
Yeah, all that red right there, that's grizzly bear. All that blood. All that blood. It's grizzly. Hey, I'm sorry. I should have got that little money right there. I should have got that. I don't want to lose. I lost it. Okay.
Oh, just waiting this out.
Oh, look at it. One go crazy right here, too. It might go crazy go the other one. Like, trying to shake it up.
Check out the hourly. We got 12 more minutes for the hourly. We got higher high.
Hey, it took that money like that. Just let down. Dang, real quick. Man, that was so fast. Then you wouldn't even got your money. You got to see it so fast, man. I think I just stop off to this. I mean, get 25 more. Man. Let's get some of this money. Right. See, move too fast. kind of same kind of. Oh, that's yeah, don't bring on the nigga.
Alright, I think I'm about to grab one light. I'm gonna give it a second. Let it try close patty highs. I ain't in nothing. I'm trying to see if we close. I said I'm not in nothing.
No, what you NYM or WNQ?
I'm looking at MNQ.
This kind of green
Alright, I'm in one light. We're gonna have to do quick scalp though. If it just shoot all the way back down, it just shoot back down. We ain't gonna worry. But we in one light. Soon as get a green, get positive, we gonna get stop loss at 10. Mm. Alright, this counter take that previous high to the left. We gonna move stops up to the bottom of the counter. If it close red, we just gonna have to wait. If it take that high to the left right here, we gonna bring stops to the bottom of this counter. So we at least taking about $20. If we get a red count, we just gotta wait to see if we can build this uptrend. Still waiting. Are we up about $60? Hold up. Well, that's on two accounts, my bad. Up $30 on one, but both accounts say $60 because it's showing me the total. Uh, Soon as take that high to the left, whatever counter take that high, we setting a stop. All right, right here, we bringing stops right here at the bottom of this counter. Okay. See if we can close past it. I don't know if we're gonna close past it or not. I might bring it up to the bottom of the body. Yeah, we bring it up like right here. Cause I don't know if we're gonna close past it or not. We might have to get a pullback first, then go. We'll see though. We got 15 seconds. Can it hold up there? 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5. I'm bringing it up. Bringing it up. Bringing it up. Nice. See if we can get up to that hourly level or not. Trying to see. It might kick us out if it touch the bottom of this fair value got to the left on the 1 minute, but it's a chance we can go straight up to that hourly though. It might slightly kick us out and then go up. That's the thing. Hopefully it just goes straight up to that hourly level though. Don't pull back down here. And when I'm saying 1 minute level, I'm talking about right here. This box. Alright, it's pushing up there. We up 80 on 86. So we up 179 for the day. We still holding. We want to see can it close past. I probably trailing a little too close. But it is what it is. We're going to trail close. We want to see if we can close inside that hourly gap. Okay, it's pushing. Nice. Come on, stay up there. Stay up there. Stay up there. We up 205. Still holding. Really don't want no retest of this gap. Honestly. If it does, it's gonna kick us out. It's fine. Ah, it look like he's trying to do the retest. Let's bring it up. Look like he's trying to do that retest. Come on, don't do the retest. It's close to kicking us out, bro. Don't do the retest of this gap. Just go straight up to the top of the hourly gap. Come on, straight up, straight up, straight up. Nice, nice. Still holding. Okay, we touched the top of the hourly gap. Where do we want stops to be? We're gonna keep stops at the bottom of the candle body. We up 284 on the day, almost 300. Okay, it hit 299. It came back down. Next target, of course, will be what these highs to the left over here. We did close in that daily gap, so I'm gonna bring stops up. Bring stops up to the top of the daily gap. Oh, it's lagging. Come on now. I'm lagging. Okay, there we go. Bring it down one tick. I said down. They brought it up. That's too far down. Trying to go one tick. Come on, right? I'm trying to bring it down. Right there. Okay, that's good enough right there. We get kicked out right there. It's fine. All right. We watching. We watching. We watching. Is you in?
No, I ain't get in.
Why? You said you was scared. You should. Well, nah, yeah, you said you was scared. I told you don't get in if you say you scared. Never mind.
I ain't know I was gonna go straight up, man, like that. I thought it was being embarrassed. Just split the table.
Yeah, I ain't think we was gonna shoot this much up on that quick. I thought it was gonna give us a pullback first. No, I seen we was gonna go up, but I thought we was gonna get a pullback and then slowly move our way back up. It just went straight up. It ain't even give no pullback. Yeah, it ain't even get no pullback. It just went straight up. No pullback. Yeah. But I seen it break that downtrend. I said, I'm taking this loans because my bias was bullish. So I told you, trade with your bias. It broke it where I had got in at. Down here at, if you go on the 1 minute, that 850 candle.
Oh, because that one ain't go down where the other red one went down. So it broke.
No, I'm saying it made a higher high at 850. When 850 came, that when we made a higher high. And I said, okay, I'm gonna take it. It was risky, but I took the chance, cause I'm technically I basically got in. Soon it made a higher high, I got in because I knew the trend broke.
What they gonna do when it hit the? Cause I thought I was supposed to get it after it hit that red, the higher low. What is that? The high low.
What you was looking to get in, shorts or long?
At first I was looking to get in short, but it looked like it was reversing.
Yeah, it's reversing now. It's probably finna shoot crazy up.
Yeah, as soon as it touched this low, right? The high low.
Where it? What? Say the numbers and stuff.
Oh,
I don't know what you're talking about.
at 8:30. You know that 8:30 is the one that went crazy at 8:30.
You on the 1 minute?
I'm on 5 minutes.
All right, let me go to the 5 minute. 8:30. Yeah, what about it?
You see the 8:30 one? Now, when that green one get up with that one, it's gonna shoot up, right? It close above. If it close above.
If it closed, bud, we at least going up to that one to the left at that 6:30. See that?
Yeah.
If we close past it, but I had one to the 1 minute and traded because the 5 minute we didn't get no interest for shorts. We didn't get no interest for loans, so I had went to the 1 minute.
Oh, that's why.
Cause we ain't had no interest. We ain't had no interest.
That's why I didn't see the entry. I said, how you see an entry and I don't see? How you see it? Cause I'm on the 5 minute.
You gotta be up. That what I told you. You gotta be able to move different time frames. If you don't see no entries on one of them, it might be on another.
It ain't close above.
But
Still
if
might.
you look at the 1 minute, it was in a downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Then that 850 candle, we broke the downtrend, and I was bullish. So I was like, I'm gonna take one light contract. I took one light contract in longs to see if it was going, start building the uptrend. I was gonna add another one if we made a trend, but we didn't make a trend. We just went straight up. So I didn't add. I only used one contract. You hear me?
Yeah.
If we would have made a higher high, higher low, higher high, I would have added another one. But we didn't. We just went straight all the way up. So.
I know, man. I know, man. I could have got in with it, but
All right, I'm out. I'm out.
yeah, I'm kicking
It
myself
just kicked
out.
me out. How much we even got for the day? I think we up like 300 on the day, or close to it.
Off that one trade, what?
Yeah, that one trade. No, we made 180 on that trade. We up like 200, almost 200 on the day. But it's on, like I said, I copy trade, so technically we made almost 400 for the day. If you count both accounts, but you count one account, um, 180, like 187 or something. But it look like it's trying to make an uptrend. If we make a higher high right here on the 1 minute, I might add one more. I might go one more time in these loans. We make this higher high. Think I'm gonna add one. I'm gonna get it long one more time, and then that'll be it for me today. We build this uptrend. Only thing that suck is the target right there, like literally right to the left. So it's like, yeah, you can get in that uptrend, but it could just come right back down. That's the only thing that suck. It could come right back down, but soon as take this high, I'm in these loans. Soon as take this high to the left on the 1 minute. Soon we take that high. And my stop gonna be at the bottom of that red candle down there. You see what I'm talking about on the 1 minute? If we make this higher high, I'm gonna get in them loans. But the thing is, the first target is literally right next to it. If you look to the left, that previous high right there. So it could go up and come right back down, you know, if it don't close past that next target high. But we already hit our goal for the day. We only look for 150 a day. We got 187, so we hit our goal. But we get this one more loan. That would be nice. Get one more loan right here. Like I said, my bias was bullish, so I was really just waiting on loan opportunities. I mean, I seen them shorts, but I was more so looking for loan, waiting for these loans to come through. Oh man. And you said I heard you said so you was on the 5 minute. That's probably why you was scared when I got it. That's probably why you was scared because on the 5 minute it didn't. Well, it looked crazy to be trying to go long on the 5 minute.
Yeah, that's why I said I was going on that. How you read that?
Nah, I was on the 1 minute.
How you read that, man? I can't read that at all.
Yeah, that would be it. Trying to get in on the 5 minute, boy, that would have been extra risky. But no, I seen on that when I seen that mud break that downtrend on the 1 minute. I said, boy, my buy is bullish, so I might as well go, take one light loan, see if it's gonna run up or not. So that's what I ended up doing. Okay, let's see. Can we push up here? It's playing games. I'm trying to see, can we push up? Dang, and it's a 5 minute gap in the way. Dang, this gonna be a dangerous trade right here. I ain't gonna lie. It's a 5 minute gap sitting in the way too. If you look at the 5 minute, we finna be at the top of a 5 minute gap. I might go ahead and jump in now since it's kind of dangerous. Probably gonna jump in now and get some of my bread. Be in a little early. I don't know. Let me see. Let me go to the 1 minute, see what it's looking like. It made a higher high. Should I go ahead and try to jump in now? Just to be able to be in the green more? I'm trying to think. I'm gonna grab one. I'm gonna grab it now. I'm in one now. Just because I know that our target's so close, I want to at least be somewhat in the green. Okay, there we go. Nice. I needed to close past this 5 minute gap at 409.55. Oh my goodness. Nice. Nice. Did you get in or no?
What you went on? 1 minute?
Yeah, I had got it long. Alright, is that the dang? Is that the hourly gap? What the heck is that? I think that's the hourly gap. It probably finna get a big pullback right here. I hope it don't give a big pullback and kick us out. Please don't do no big pullback. Keep us in this trade. Come on. Push up, push up, push up. No. It's finna kick us out. Push back up. Go take that high. Come on, man. Don't come down just yet. Take that high and go to the next gap. Going up to the next gap. Come on. Yeah, this is it right here. This is my last trade right here, so. Come on, push up. No, no, we do not want to see no red. Oh, okay, flip. It flipped back even color, I guess. Doji color. I'm looking for us to get up to 25,450. And if we can build base above that, 25,487. Possibly get all the way up to the top of the daily gap at 25,535 though. Possibly. It's a chance. But this definitely our last trade. Whatever happened, happens. Okay. Come on, man. Go on up to 25,450. Just go on up there, bro. Quit playing. I do not want no retest of this fair value gap. Come on. It look like it's finna retest this fair value gap. Tough. Let me check out the 5 minute. Look like it's about to retest this fair value gap, though. You got 30 seconds, bro. Hold it. Don't come back down, bro. Hold it. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Just stay up. As long as it stay up there for these 20 seconds, I should be straight. Come on, bro. 13 seconds. Stay up there. It did close red on the 1 minute, but the 5 minute stayed above that high. So Possibly we come retest this dang fair value gap. I just hope it don't kick me out when it does. But we could not retest it if we trying to stay above this hourly high though. Let's see. So if we stay above 25,429 and make an uptrend, we shouldn't come retest it. But that red candle kind of suggesting it come retest the gap. We need to push up, make a higher high. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Did you get anything or no?
Look, man, I just ain't got hot.
Uh,
I learned.
we just made that higher high. I kind of want to bring it up now. I think we should be just pushing up. Yeah, I'm bringing it up. Even if it stop me out, it is what it is. I'm bringing stop loss up. So if we retest this 1 minute gap, we got kicked out. And I feel like if it do kick us out, it's still gonna go back up. But I'm just not gonna play around with it. That's the thing. I don't feel like potentially playing with a fake out. Cause I can see it very well doing this to us right here. Come down, kick us out, still respect this gap, and then go all the way up. I can see it doing that. That's what I don't want to see, but I can see it doing that potentially. Especially if we don't go ahead and touch this 450. We'll touch that 450. That's what I can see happening. But regardless of the fact, this is the last trade for us. Man, I'm getting some lag or something because my Tradeovate, where I got my style loss on Tradeovate and where I got it on Trading View, they in two different spots. So one of these two lagging. I don't know which one it is. It look like it finna kick us out. I think it just took that low. Yeah, it did. We should got kicked out. Unless we barely got. No, it should kick us out. Yeah, we out. Okay. And I didn't respect that gap. I'm surprised. So it might consolidate. Might see some consolidation if it don't shoot all the way up right here. Cause it disrespect that 1 minute gap. So it might consolidate. But we done. We got 269 on both the accounts. So basically $500 a day. Nice. We can go ahead and call it. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and end it right here, y'all. This was a good first day on the streams this week. So I talk to y'all. Y'all have a good one.